Hello and welcome to my introduction video. My name is David Miles, and I'm the owner and operator of Cash from Options LLC. A little bit about my background. I've been a stock option investor since 1985. A certified coach for Robert Kiyosaki's stock market investing program for 11 plus years. I also coached real estate for Robert Kiyosaki. And what I do now is I teach my clients my unique strategy using weekly options, and it produces consistent weekly cash flow. Excuse me. What if you could create the perfect stock market investing strategy? What would it look like? You're out there, you're dreaming. What is my strategy going to look like? Number one, it's going to earn you enough money to make you wealthy using compound interest. Uh, Number two, would consistently make you money every week in both up and down markets. One of the advantages of stock options is you can make money when the market goes up. Everybody knows that. You can also make money when the market goes down. Very important because the market is full of ups and downs. Over 90% of every trade you make will produce a profit. And my track record is 94% plus of the trades that I make, they do produce a profit. I've been tracking this very closely since 2015. Also, there's no large drawdowns in your investment account. These can turn your hair gray and they can keep you up at night. You want to have just consistent week in, week out, consistent profits. What is a vertical option? That's what I use to trade. Vertical options, they are the ones we use are 1 week trades only. We get in on Monday and we're out on Friday automatically. We make our profit when we make the trade, and it automatically expires on Friday. So we're only in the market for a few days, 1 week. And it's easier to tell where the market's not going to go than it is to tell where it is going to go. What is a vertical option? And if you don't understand this, you're brand new, that's fine. If you've been around options for a while, you'll know what I'm talking about. But through my coaching program, we go through this from step one, teach you every step of the way. But a bull put is basically I sell one strike price put and buy the next lower strike price put, which results in a credit, and it also limits my risk. So we use the same expiration date. Bear calls are just the opposite. We sell one strike price call and we buy the next higher strike price call, and we use the same expiration date. And again, don't worry if you don't understand what I'm talking about. My coaching program starts with step one. We have 16 individual coaching sessions, and you will learn all of this. First of all, here's a trade that I had last week, and the market, we took the trade on Monday right here, and all that has to happen, I sold a 607.5 strike price put, and I bought a 605 strike price put. Now, as long as the market does not close below this point here of 106.5, 106.5, I'm going to keep my profit. Everything's going to be fine. We only have 2.5 more days to go. You can see it's a long way to travel. Actually, we have just 2 days to go. The market just closed. We have a long way to travel before this is going to be in jeopardy. This is probably close to a guarantee as you can get. A bear call. We sell one strike price call, the 535.5. I'm sorry, the 535 strike price call, and we buy the 537.5 strike price call. And again, as long as the market stays below this line, which is 106, 135, I'm going to keep my profits. Excuse me. One advantage of my program is you can trade from anywhere. I visited my daughter-in-law several months ago. She lives on Puget Sound. Got your laptop computer, that's all you need. Kind of interesting here. I was sitting there looking at the market and making some decisions, and you can't see it very well. A little flotilla of ships are out there. Right in the middle of that is a nuclear-powered attack submarine that's returning from its deployment. Sailed right by me. My daughter lives on Puget Sound, the largest submarine base in the United States is in Puget Sound. So that's what you can trade if you want. Or maybe this is more your style. Wherever you can take a laptop computer, you can trade my program. I publish my trades in advance on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to demonstrate the reliability and consistency of my trades. I publish them on Monday, Tuesday morning, actually, when I make them, and you can track those all week long and see if they turned out. All trades expire automatically, and my trades have been profitable over the years, exactly 94.7% of the time. And if any of you would like to see my broker statements, and I'm not hesitant to send those out. I don't believe in these big claims that people make. That's great that they make those, but you need to back it up with broker statements. Here is my coaching program. There's 16 1/2-hour weekly live coaching sessions. You will learn all aspects of my powerful strategy. You saw the chart that I set up. I'll show you how to set up your chart. There's 6 months of live conference calls on Monday when the market opens to find good trades. And then whenever I make a trade or ever I adjust a position throughout the week, I text that out as soon as I make that trade. You will never be out of touch with the market. I used to coach with Robert, as I mentioned. People would learn the strategy. We had several sessions together, and I'd follow up in a few months, and they were kind of off in the weeds. This will keep you in touch with what I'm doing as soon as I do it. So you'll never be out of touch with the market. We'll have our conference calls every Monday along with our 16 1/2-hour live coaching sessions. And my strategy combined with conference calls and texts, it'll keep you right on track. It can impact your financial freedom in a big way. For more information on how to improve your financial future through weekly options, there's my website. Go ahead and look around that, and it'll show you where the strategy came from, how long I've been trading, and what the philosophy is. And I'll be publishing more of these videos on LearnDesk here, and it'll be free in the beginning, and you seriously ought to consider looking over the shoulder of a veteran trader as I trade in real time. But more on that later. Anyway, best of luck in your trading. Thank you for attending my introduction video, and we will speak soon.